Chelsea Green Publishing presents The Coronation, Essays from the COVID Moment, written and read by Charles Eisenstein. That's me. Among other things, COVID has revealed how close we are to totalitarianism. It took so little for its full machinery to spring into motion: surveillance, censorship, propaganda, restriction of movement, suspension of civil liberties. One explanation is that nefarious forces have been preparing for this moment for a long time. Perhaps. But to do so, they exploited psychosocial patterns and myths that are older than history. These will not easily disappear even if the pandemic is declared over and corrupt institutions and individuals punished. I explore these patterns and myths repeatedly throughout this book: the story of separation, the program of control, the myth of redemptive violence, the story of good versus evil, the paradigm of reductionism, the denial of death, the cult of quantity. As long as these patterns and myths remain intact, then even if the goddess COVID is exiled to the history books, they will soon draw in a successor.